Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the pet achievement super fast in Grow a Garden. I am not trying to reach this, but if you do have the pets required, it will definitely help you reach the achievement. So let's see, there's this garden guide here. For instance, catch them all achievements. You can, for instance, give like a pet to your friend or an old account and have them give it back to you. I think you'll get the the achievement back. So you'll get like the obtain red fox. I do have one, but I got it when before the garden guide existed. That's why it didn't appear on my garden guide. So I think it does work if you give it to your old account or your friend, and then they give it to you. I think it works like that as well. Then for the eggs, if you want your eggs to hatch faster, you're going to put a chicken or a rooster or a blood owl, but the fastest is bald eagle. And if you want to hatch, you do have to hatch 1,750 eggs. Here, I'll show you. On the divine achievements here, I've only hatched 56 eggs, so around 1,600 and something more. Can't really count that good. 64, I don't know. 604 probably. 694. You want? I'm not even gonna try. Basically, you will need to hatch a lot of eggs, and basically you'll need to buy a lot of eggs in order to hatch a lot of eggs. So make sure you buy eggs off of the pet store. You don't need to buy a specific one that's in stock, just buy them eggs, okay? Then you are going to either want a seal or a koi fish. I've heard that koi fishes, when you hatch an egg, it's going to give you another egg, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And for a seal, if you sell a pet, you have there's a chance that you can get another egg from that. And if you want to, you can, for instance, you have a lot of chickens or roosters or bald eagles, you can put it in the garden, all of it, so it makes the hatching easier. There's also some quests that achievements that you'll need to age up your pet. So make sure you put all of your, I'm just trying to find the fairy. So make sure you basically add in pets that level up XPs. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!